Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever scrolled through a massive Excel sheet and thought, where did my headers go? No worries, I've got a game changer for you. Freeze panes. With this magic trick, you can lock rows or columns in place so your headers never disappear. Just head to the View tab, click Freeze Panes, and select what you want to freeze, like the top row or the first column. Boom! Your data stays organized and easy to read. If this tip blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe, and stick around for more Excel wizardry. See you next time.